Hey everyone, welcome to All You Can Do DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make cold brew coffee in a toddy cold brew system. Here is the canister, the brewing canister. It comes with a filter, which you do want to moisten, and the rubber stopper. Make sure that's in the bottom. I use 1 pound of coffee ground for cold brew, so that's the coarsest. So go ahead and put that into the bottom. Make sure you get every last drop. I'm gonna make it even. So then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna fill it up halfway with water and make sure it goes around. And then we're gonna wait 5 minutes because we want it to bloom. So we're gonna speed up this process. So this has been after 5 minutes and you're letting it bloom. Sometimes when I've done it, it has really risen up, almost kind of like a mushroom cap. And it hasn't done that this time, but there's really no rhyme or reason that I find that it happens. It all kind of tastes the same. But you do want to take a wooden spoon and you want to push everything down underneath the water and just kind of rotate it for this first bloom portion. Then you fill up the canister, the brewing canister, up to this line, this little ridge right here. And so I never waste any of this precious coffee. I rinse off the spoon, tap, and then I just kind of rotate the water around so that it evenly distributes. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up to that line that I told you about. Now, if you are wanting to be super consistent and accurate, you can measure the amount of water that you put in, so it's exact cups every time. I happen to do it just so that you would know it was about 11 cups of water. Otherwise, I just take my filter, my water, and fill it up to the top, to that line. You're gonna let it brew for 24 hours, and then we're going to drain it. So I will see you in 24 hours. And we're gonna do that then. You can also keep this on the counter to brew since it's cold brew, or in the refrigerator, either one, and we'll see you in 24 hours. Okay everyone, welcome back. It has been 24 hours for my pound of cold brew steeping. So go ahead and take the glass decanter that comes with your toddy maker, and you're going to use the handle, lift up on it, position this underneath the decanter, and you're gonna unplug the stopper and put it on. And it looks like this. And you're gonna go ahead and let that drain until all the liquid comes out, and then I'll show you how to mix it for a great ratio. This is the final concentrate product. It has been draining for a few hours and it has filled up my toddy glass decanter, and this is the concentrate that you're going to use to now dilute and make your cold brew. I'm going to show you my method and my dilution ratio of how I drink my cold brew. I like it on the stronger side, so I drink a 1-to-1 ratio. So I get a measuring cup and I'm gonna pour out about 4 cups, so 1 quart of the concentrate. Perfect. And I do the concentrate first because I don't want to waste any cold brew. So I pour that into my official cold brew pitcher that I keep in my refrigerator at all times. That's how much I love cold brew coffee. So I put that in. Now, get my water. Do the same thing, 4 cups, because I like a 1-to-1 ratio. And I put the water in second because then it rinses out all the remaining cold brew that's in this measuring cup. Again, I'm obsessed and I can't waste any. Believe me, when you try it, you'll be exactly the same. I promise. Pour that in. Gorgeous. Now this pitcher is perfectly mixed, ready to go cold brew. Pour it over ice, drink it as it is, or even heat it up and it's ready to go. So today I am drinking my cold brew over ice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour a glass of that. I drink my coffee black, so I'm gonna have it as is, which is perfection for me. And then you can see in the left side of your screen, there's the remaining toddy concentrate. I keep both this ready to mix jug and the concentrate in my fridge at all times. And then I just have this ready to drink and go whenever I want it. And then when this runs out, I fill it more with concentrate. And then the cycle starts again with the 24-hour steeping of a new batch of coffee. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you've learned a few things. Now, cheers to your next cup of cold brew coffee.